This is TWiT.
Time to take another call, John Ashley.
All right, I want to pick up on James.
Hello, Jane.
Hey, Leo and Mikah.
Hey,
Thanks
what's
for
your
taking my
first
call.
name and what city are you calling from?
James, calling from Philadelphia.
James from Philly. Hello, James.
I'm a happy Club TWiT member. Want to shout that out.
It seems like everybody's a member now, which is great. That makes me so happy.
It's a good thing, right? That's what we want.
Great. That's what we want. Yeah, thank you.
We're actually discussing on the Club TWiT, or not Club TWiT, the TWiT community forums, twit.community. A lot of people don't know that you can raise your subscription price if you want.
I know. Isn't that funny?
$10.
Yeah, I saw that on the forums as well.
Yeah.
Thank you. What handle do you use on the community forums?
I'm Newman on there.
Oh, I know you.
Yeah.
I love you. Good to talk to you, Newman. Yeah.
Thanks,
hello, Newman.
I wanted to call in because at home I use an Ubiquiti Unify Wi-Fi system. I love it. It's great.
As do I. Yes.
A lot of management overhead. My parents, they're just now getting fiber to the home, and they asked me what Wi-Fi they should get. And I'm not going to recommend Unify because
you have to be kind of it's an advanced system for expert users.
And I've been with Unify so long, I really don't know what the landscape is out there right now for Wi-Fi. So
I would do what Mikah does.
Yeah. How much of a help do you want to be to your folks? Are you okay?
They're about 2 hours away at this point, so hands off.
Yeah. Well, so here's the great thing. There are multiple reasons why I'm about to recommend what I'm about to recommend. I'll just tell you what I'm about to recommend. Eero. And the reason why is because you
can manage it remotely.
Can help manage it remotely.
I manage my mom's Eero from here in Rhode Island.
Yeah. So if they do end up having an issue, then you're able to see their network and do a restart or whatever it happens to be. Eero, I think, is the best bet. It really
Were you
is
an Eero customer before Amazon bought them?
Yes, I was.
And did you notice any changes once Amazon bought them?
Just the addition of a few Amazon features, but outside of that, no. And the price drop. It
went down.
Yeah. Things got less expensive over time.
The one thing to note with Eero, it is a little more expensive than we're used to with routers because it's a managed mesh system. You're going to go
at least a subscription service.
You don't have to have the subscription service though. The subscription service gives you access to some extra features, including you get a free VPN if you want to use it. You get a free Malware Bytes subscription if you want to use it, and you get a free 1Password subscription if you want to use it. None of those are required. It also has features like dynamic DNS, which you wouldn't get otherwise, and some more in-depth ad blocking and kind of protection features that keep people from visiting
it's $99 a year. If you don't do that,
if you don't do that or want that,
it's not a big deal. It sounds like.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, I would not get the Eero Max 7. They now have Wi-Fi 7.
Oh, they don't need 7.
No, $1,700 for the system. Let's not do that.
Yeah.
No, they don't. 6E is a little less, 550.
To be clear, this is for 3 of them, and
for 3 of them.
Depending on the size of the home, and Leo and I actually just talked about this. You don't necessarily want to fill your home with too many of these devices because they end up competing with each other. So depending on the size of the home, it might be good to just have one, maybe 2.
Let me ask you a question. Do mom and dad get the latest iPhone when it comes out?
No, they're happy Android users.
Okay. So I would get the Eero Pro 6. There's no reason to get anything faster. They have a 6E and they have a 7, and the price goes up dramatically. 6 is 3 units for $400, which actually is a lot less than it used to be. They've really dropped the price. I think that's good. The 6 Plus is $300. So depending on how price sensitive they are. And they also have 2-packs and 1-packs. They've really, you know what? The price is really
$139.
Yeah, that's the 6 Plus, which is less than the Pro 6, which is more than the 6. I don't know which one. Which one does he need? How fast is their internet? You said they have fiber.
Yeah, they just got fiber to the home. So they live out in the middle of nowhere.
You're going to want the 6 Plus because at least the 6 Plus because that's gigabit.
Yep.
Okay.
But that's $239 for a 2-pack. Now, some people don't want the 2-pack. They want the 3-pack, which was $299. That's not bad at all.
Yeah, no, not bad.
And I tell you what's nice about this is they won't complain about their Wi-Fi not working in the den.
That's the chief. Yeah, that's what I need.
Yeah.
I need no complaints.
No complaints. I think Eero is a very good choice. I like you. I use Ubiquity. I love Ubiquity. But it is, because we're pros, we have VLANs and we have elaborate systems and Ethernet in all the rooms and stuff like that. But if you just for mom and dad, I think Eero is a really good choice. That's what I got my mom. So I think that's what Mikah uses.
And same for my family, because I know I can check in on if I need to. And everything just works.
Do they need a hardware connection, an Ethernet port?
Only for the initial.
They don't want desktop. So they'll need one Ethernet.
Yeah, one next to the fiber box, but I mean like elsewhere.
Oh yeah. They have a desktop computer right next to it that'll need an Ethernet input.
Okay, so some of these are not. I think the cheapest ones do not have Ethernet.
Let's see, the 6 Plus might have
6 Plus
one in the back. So what I have done, and it's not expensive to do this, is I have, for my system, I've got some TP-Link switches. And so basically,
there you go.
Yeah,
so they have one in and they have one out.
And then I
take 2 out. That's right. Yeah.
I take the one that comes out of it and I run it to that TP-Link switch. I think it's an 8 switch, and then everything else then I connect off of that.
Yeah, all you need is one, because obviously everything else connects to the switch. So this is good. Cool. This is $300 for the Eero 6 Plus. It's a gigabit system, so it gives them all the speed of their fiber. Boy, that seems like it's a pretty good solution. And each one of these has an extra Ethernet port. 4,500 square feet. The three. They say about 1,500 square feet per beacon, per device. Okay. Yep. This also has a smart home hub, so you can really give yourself a support nightwear and get them to have a smart home.
There you go. My lights won't turn on. What's going on? Like, oh golly.
This is interesting. And by the way, Prime Day, as you know, is coming on the 16th. Oh, that's true.
Yeah, wait for that.
And I think they have already early Eero Prime Day deals.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, well, there you go.
So now's the time.
Buy it from Amazon.
Oh, my gosh.
Save some money.
Big price cuts. Holy cow.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah. Wow. Now, it's funny. Eero used to be easily the most expensive Wi-Fi out there. Now might be the most affordable.
Yeah.
It's a good choice.
And still good stuff.
Hey, it's great to talk to you, Newman.
All right, thanks, guys.
I think we don't mention the TWiT community enough. It's
we need more people in there. It's a great spot to hang out.
I agree. We have a forum. We use Discourse software. They were a sponsor, and it's at twit.community. It's free to join. You don't have to be a club member. And the idea behind this is it's a comment section for every show. So you see every show has, and there are commenters on here. I bet you Newman's in one of these for sure.
Yeah, I'm always on the Windows Weekly ones.
There you go. All right. So this is definitely a great, even if you're a club member, great place to hang out. Highly recommend it. This is the one you hosted, Mikah. You're drinking wood.
Yes.
I missed that episode.
Oh, you really missed the twig, I'll tell you.
I hear twig was pretty wild.
Yeah.
Something about fake skin or something.
Yeah. It was something.
Okay.
Let's just say Paris Martineau, she knows
got
a
wild
thing or two about how to do research.
I think I should just let you have that show. I think it was, people said it's the funniest twig in ages. Wonderful. Anyway, Newman, it's nice to meet you. Thank you for being in the TWiT community and listening to Windows Weekly, and we'll see you around.
Well, thank you guys. Have a good one.
My pleasure.
Thanks
Take
so much.
care. Hey, if you like what you just saw,
all you got to do is head to twit.tv/ATG to subscribe.
Then smash the bell, hit the button, and I don't know, do that stuff the YouTubers do.